Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best cubic zirconia tennis bracelet for women, a stunning piece that perfectly blends elegance and affordability. This is the sparkling multi-color round cubic zirconia CZ women's tennis bracelet, sized at 7 inches with a total carat weight of 7.50 cttw. If you've been looking for a beautiful statement accessory that adds a pop of color and class to your look, you're in the right place. Let's start with the design. This bracelet features alternating round-cut cubic zirconia stones in brilliant blue and white tones, capturing a rainbow-like vibrance without being over the top. The stones are set in a line that creates that timeless tennis bracelet silhouette, sleek, balanced, and easy to wear with both formal and casual outfits. The 7.5 carat total weight ensures that it's noticeable on your wrist, but still refined and tasteful. Made with precision-cut cubic zirconia, the brilliance and clarity of each stone give the appearance of high-end gemstones. These aren't just sparkly, they actually reflect light beautifully, catching attention with every movement. The multi-color pattern adds a playful yet sophisticated twist, which makes it versatile enough for day or evening wear. Now let's talk about comfort and wearability. At 7 inches long, this bracelet fits most wrists comfortably. It has a secure clasp, which gives you peace of mind if you're wearing it for a full day or to a special event. The metal is plated to offer durability and resistance to tarnish, so it holds up well over time with proper care. One of the best things about this bracelet is how giftable it is. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just a self-love treat, the packaging and visual impact make it feel much more expensive than it actually is. And being available on Amazon means easy ordering, fast delivery, and reliable return options. And here's what really sets it apart: the price-to-style ratio. You get the elegance of a luxury tennis bracelet without the premium price tag of real diamonds or sapphires. It's fashion-forward without being trendy, making it a great addition to a classic jewelry collection. If you're looking to elevate your jewelry game with something that's affordable, elegant, and eye-catching, this is the piece to go for. Whether you're dressing up for an event or adding sparkle to a simple outfit, this bracelet does the job beautifully. That wraps up today's review. For more product insights and trusted critiques, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique. Let us know in the comments what you think of this piece or what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.